units require to copy a special transmission. This transmission is for K9 Velo. Velo has just finished his last shift on duty for the city of Orem and is heading to retirement. Thank you for your 5 years of service and hard work for the city and citizens of Orem.
Will you show K9 Velo 1042 for the last time?
Copy break. All units require to copy a special transmission. This transmission is for K9 Velo. Velo has just finished his last shift on duty for the city of Orem and is heading to retirement. Thank you for your 5 years of service and hard work for the city and citizens of Orem. With over 300 deployments in your career, countless narcotics taken from the streets, and many suspects hunted down, you deserve some much needed rest. Break. Thank you for keeping your handler safe over the course of your career and bringing them home each and every day. And may you enjoy retirement and enjoy being a dog. You will be missed. K9 Velo 1042 at 1349 hours.
擦过了。